Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be taking a look at the top 3 AI tools for writing in 2026. Now, these tools help the writers create the blog posts, the essays, scripts, emails, and long form content much faster. So, let's break down the 3 AI writing tools that stand out the most this year. So, first on the list, we have ChatGPT. ChatGPT is one of the most widely used AI writing assistant today. ChatGPT is great for generating the structured content like blog posts, articles, outlines, summaries, essays, and more. Many writers use it for brainstorming the ideas, drafting the content, and improving the existing writing. Then we have Claude AI. So Claude is known for producing very natural and human-like writing. It is especially useful for the long-term content, storytelling, essays, and editing the tasks. Writers often prefer it when they want the content that sounds more conversational and polished. Now, the third tool in the list is Gemini. So, Gemini is strong when it comes to the research based writing and working with the large documents. It can analyze the information, organize the ideas, and help generate the structured reports or documents. So, in a quick summary, I can say that ChatGPT is great for structured writing and brainstorming. Then we have Claude, which is excellent for the natural tone and long form writing. Afterwards, we have Gemini, which is going to give you the strength for strong research and document analysis. Each tool has its own strengths, which is why many writers use a combination of them depending on their tasks. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.